Here's a 2011 Ram 1500. With superior performance and legendary hauling and towing capacity, this Ram 1500 is the one tool that can master any job you throw at it. It comes with all the amenities you need: multi-speed automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, Magnum engine, aluminum wheels, AM/FM Sirius satellite radio, power windows, manual tilting steering column, heavy-duty shocks, and power heated mirrors. Of the Ram 1500, Car and Driver proclaims Dodge changes the state-of-the-art and the rules in the full-size pickup game. When you need to grab life by the horns, you need a Ram. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We offer superior vehicles. Come and see for yourself. We are easy to find on 5520 South Shaver, 1/2 mile east of the Gulf Freeway, exit 34.